whatever I'm doing today. What am I doing? Let me show you. That sounds a bit cheesy. White and I. Yes, white and I are having trouble. Can you see the price? Focus, focus, focus. Let me read it to make sure I got the name right, okay? I don't want to be calling it something that is not what they have actually labeled it. What color is this? Like a darkish grey? Is this dark grey? Guys, is this dark grey? I think it is, so that's what I thought, but yeah. Oh gosh. I need to start again, okay? Let's start all over again. Fluctuating. How do you say this word? Fluctuating. Apparently, fluctuating. That's what I want to say. The pekamis. Pekames. Or pekanation for a day. Welcome to another episode, Haul with Rose. I went to Primark. So I got a couple of things from Primark, okay, for myself and the children as well. I didn't see the point of going crazy and getting a lot of things that I really didn't need. My cousin and I went to Peckham, and you need to see that video. We had so much fun just being the Peckamis, Peckames, or Pekanation for a day. Went through to Primark and got some few bits for myself and the children. Not a lot, but I felt like there were some essential things that I needed for this summer. Okay, so I went there and grabbed some few things. And here we are in this bag. Well, I'll just choose whichever one that my hands get hold of first, okay? So I'm not like all over the place. So whichever one my hands get hold of is the one I'm going to introduce in this video first. I've got this polo shirt. It's a size, what size is this? 6 to 7. There's no tag here. Oh yeah. There is. It's £5. I got it for £5 and it's beautiful. Dark, and it's got this white strap going all around it. I saw it in a white as well, but girl, I'm not going to buy anything white. The next thing in my bag is this beautiful sort of overall jumpsuit thing for girls, and it's for my daughter. How much did I get it for? It's for £4. I got this for £4 and I got it in 11 to 12. My daughter is 8 years old, but just because you have to buy something their age for them to outgrow it in a month, I would rather go for times the size so she will grow in it in a year or 2 years. So I'm always buying her something a bit bigger than her age, and it's fine. The reason why I bought my son, his size is he's got a younger brother, okay? So then he can pass it on to the brother, and then he can get a bigger size. Does it make sense? But with my daughter, she's the only girl, right? So she doesn't have anyone to pass it on to. She's only got like a little baby cousin girl, and she is the littlest of the whole cousins. The next in my bag is it's like a nylon, you know, no, it's not even nylon. I think it feels like cotton, bodycon. It's got like 2 little clickers underneath it that holds you. And I got a size medium. It's very stretchy, you know, and I feel like it will hold all my bits in. I'm thinking about wearing it with the trousers or maybe like a short or something. And yeah, I like it. And it's £7 from Primark. It's been a long time since I went to Primark, but I saw this and guys, I bought this ×2. So, you know, because I just feel like I don't want to have one thing and keep going back again to buy it again. You know what I mean? So then when I went to buy it, I bought 2 so I don't have to go again. I bought it in a black, and then I think I also got it in a color white. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Tell me about white. I said I wasn't going to buy white, right? But every lady needs to have some sort of white thing in their wardrobe. Next thing in my bag is this. My weight is always fluctuating, right? And so I'm sometimes in a size 10 to 12, and other times I'm in a 12 to 14, right? And because I don't want to go and buy something that I might not be able to, I'm not sure. I don't know what size I am. I think I'm just a size 12, right? And a little half on it. That's why I go into like the 14 and also like 10 sometimes. So I just got a medium, which is like 12 to 14, and it's for £9. So yeah, this is what I got for from Primark. You know, I have like a vision for it. Yeah, it looks nice on me already, doesn't it? Yeah. And I got this short. Summer is here. We've got to rock it. And it's high-waisted. I got 3 of these shorts. So when you see me in town wearing these shorts for 2 weeks or 1 week, I did wash it, okay? I've got 3 of them. When I find something that I really love and is very comfortable, I make sure I buy 8 times 2 or 3. I got a size 14 and it's £6. I think I got the same sort of short as well, but also in a different color. This is quite big, just about a little bit. So I think I'll have to take this one away and go and get like a size in this one. I'll try it. If it's not my size, then I'll take it away and just go and get my right size. I got the same one and I got a large one as well. This is actually very big, you know. I'll try it on, and if it's not my size, I'll take it back. But this is the color I got. It's like orange and white. It's lovely. So yeah, this is what I'm rocking for the summer. This is £6. And I got this t-shirt, and this is a size medium, and I got it for £5. And I bought this for my daughter, and this is 9 to 10 years, and it's just £1.80. It's some few selections for her. This one as well, and the same size, 9 to 10, and it's also £1.80. This beautiful design, I love it. Yeah, it's the same size and it's the same price. And this is another one for her. When it comes to like clothes and shoes from Primark, yeah, I do feel like the way washing machine has been damaging a lot of clothes, and the way the children can play roughly and things like that. Primark clothes are actually very good, you know. Look at this lovely dress for my daughter. Look at this. This is £5. My daughter, she naturally, among all my children, she's always very hot. Even in the winter, you will see her with like a light cardigan. The last time I took her to Ghana, she was like very miserable because the weather was too hot for her. Anytime it's summertime, I have to make sure that everything I buy for her is very light. And normally where I buy her things is Shein, how do you call it? Shein. They've got like very light materials, but I think Primark ones are also very good. But this is trousers I got for my daughter, a leggings sort of thing, but then it's got like flare shape, and I got it for £6, and it's 8 to 9. I'm not too sure if this is going to be her size. I'm not sure. I'll let her try it and then I'll see. And I also got this short for my son, 6 to 7 years old. Is for £5, so I got this one for £5. And the last thing I got is this t-shirt for me. This t-shirt to go with my trousers and my skirt or whatever. So yeah, already looking nice on me, like it suits my skin color. Guys, these are all the things I bought from Primark this week. Make sure you keep coming for more videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, and please, if you're a new subscriber, hello and welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting. I shall see you in my next video. Take care and bye.